Hey YouTubers, I'm gonna make a short video of my anvil. I've had this anvil for many years and I bought it when I was much younger, and I'll be honest, I don't know how much it weighs. Between the anvil and the stand, I'm gonna guess approaching 400 pounds. But it was patented April 24th, 1877, manufactured in 1882, and there is an eagle on the side, so I would suppose it is an eagle. And here's a little scan of the top. Side. And the other side. There's a little bit of wear on this side. You can see it right there. But the thing is an absolute beast. And all I've got is a railroad spike to whoops. There you go. It bounces. Anyway, all I had was a railroad spike to use. I know that probably violates all sorts of blacksmith protocol, but I'm no blacksmith. But anyway, I thought that would help you guys see the bounce. And if you're interested, it's $1,400. I'm not flexible on the price at all. I really don't care if I don't sell it. Makes no difference to me, but it'd be fine if I do. My number is 336-337-5725. Thanks for watching my video.